Our boy Yuji meaning business. No, start that again. Meaning what? Ah, boop. Yuji, I'm a cog. It was awesome. Just getting punched in the face. He means business this season. So I'm on the landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if we go too fast, going to start with his eyes. Standard Jujutsu Kaisen eyes. We go with a spike at the front. And then it spikes relatively straight back. Okay. Add thickness. So like a little bit of darkness at the top here. Make sure it's spiky at the ends. And then same at the front here, but spiky at the back that way. Bottom eyelid. Down, around, curves up. They give it the like irises aren't like perfect circles, so it kind of goes like out and around this way. Kind of cool, bit of a change, more like My Hero Academia sort of the way they draw eyes. And then his pupil is kind of small in there. He's focused. Eyebrow above, no eyelid lines, just eyebrow. So spiky again, like a check mark, just going that way. But you want to have a space that you can color brown, so you just do a little gap that you can color brown in. Then we got some wrinkle lines, just like he's been taking punches in the face, and you know, he's trying to prove a point, isn't he? And then we have some lines on his face here, and the Sukuna lines on this side. We go over and do the other eye. So we kind of go here. And it's roughly like the white part of his eye over, you know, in between his tear ducts. So this space and this space are about the same. Like human proportions are about 3 eyes. You know, 1, 2, 3. Roughly. Not all shows do it the same way, of course, but that's the general one of most of them. Spiking that way. His head is a little bit tilted, right? So that's why that one goes sort of diagonal. And then this comes down. And then we go around again into there. And then his iris. And his pupil, very intense looking in the middle there. So a couple of lines around his eye. Sukuna's line on his cheek. Big frowning eyebrow. Check mark. Just going there. And then a section that you can color brown. And then wrinkles, like he's frowning pretty heavily. So just some wrinkles there in the middle. And of course we have that big scar, right, that comes across his face. They don't draw this with black line. So if you want, you could do it brown, or like a scar color, like a reddy brown sort of a thing. So it's a personal preference, I guess, what way you'd like to do that. But we just got this spiky scar then across his face, and they do like some textures in there. Nose, so it's just bloody nostrils. Nostril there, nostril there. I'll do the blood in a second. We just have his mouth relatively flat. Sort of like that. And then the bottom lip. Just there. And you can mark the chin. Just there. Proportions of things, just if you're wondering how do you judge the height of all this. So like that. Usually, say like it's eye or eyebrow, it depends. But like say eyebrow probably in this case to nose is about the same as nose to chin. So this and this to the middle of his eyebrow, say, are about the same size. And then nostril to the bottom lip is about the same as bottom lip to chin. So that and that are about the same. So there to there, there to there, and then there to there, there to there. Roughly, that's your proportion. So he's got a scar side of his face. Textures. Bit of blood coming down from his nose. Again, they do this with red, so we're just drawing it in just so we know where it is. And his mouth is all bloody as well, but he don't care. He also has like a smack in the middle of his nose that I'm going to draw in as well because it's just cool. It's like a little circular scratch on the bridge of his nose, and I will draw that in, but we got to do that with all the punch marks on his face. So we'll just do the jaw first. Going that way. The other one. That way. So you're kind of like underneath the corners of his eye. Oh, underneath the corners of his eye there. Roughly, you know, in there. And then you change your direction, you go up. So it goes up higher on this side, and it's kind of different here. There's a bit of a gap. Optional, of course. So on this side, we see a sideburn just here beside his eye, and one here touching that line as well. And these lines become his ears. So they're basically connected to his sideburns, right? Like so. And the other one. Like that. And some ear lines inside. Easiest way, letter J to get you started. You can leave it like that. Some shows leave it like that. But if you want, you can add a bit more detail. So that punch, like I'll do some scarring, like some marks on his face. So he's got like this circular, darker, sort of colored skin for a punch. Like it's all the blood is like bruised on his nose. Just there in the middle. And then like lots of scratches. He's all beat up. He's taken a few licks. Looking serious. Looks like he means business. So then his hair. So we got all those pink hair spikes. Short hair spikes that we've drawn many times on the channel. Standard Yuji hair. So they always remind me of shark fins. Just coming across his forehead. You just go the whole way across to the other side. Bum, 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 bum. There's some in the middle as well, but we'll do the ones that come all the way around. So starting from his ear, we got like we got some like brown hair first, right? So this is like dark brown, and then the pink ones overlap. So like the pink ones go over the top of the brown. His short brown hair on the side of his head, so say like here as well. And then the pink ones come over. And then they go around. And don't stop digging up. Probably get copyright for that. Go this way for some texture lines. Put Michael Jackson in my head now. Okay, neck. Stay moving. Keep moving, bros. Neck. That way. Neck muscle there. Collar. He's got like a Naruto collar. It's kind of interesting. And it's similar coloring, isn't it, from Shippuden. Orange and black or navy. So this just like comes around. And he does have a zipper in the middle, just like Naruto. And then these double sort of bump lines, right? I'll do one first. So just coming down this way. Can't see the other ones, but I imagine it's like this. So these are double lines, so you just go again. I always find it interesting the way animes do similar sort of character designs. You know, it's like history doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. And then his shoulders go this way. Little bump, and then shoulder. I'm a cog. Yuji. Great character. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.